Start with an in-depth consultation to best assess your client's hair type and needs. Diagnose their hair texture and condition to create their personalised copyright care regime. Apply firm hold curl cream from the roots to the ends of the hair, followed by colour luster oil as a cutting lotion. Take a horseshoe section at the high point of the recession area. Starting at the sides, work with diagonal back sections. Comb the hair perpendicular to the parting, elevate to 45 degrees and blunt cut parallel to the parting. Using the same technique, continue towards the back to establish the graduation guideline. Consistently work the remaining section in the underneath area using the same technique and guideline and a stationary 45-degree elevation. Note the change of hand and body position and repeat the same technique on the opposite side. Comb the remaining hair to its natural fall, lower the elevation to a stationary 45 degrees, and then cut to complete the shape. Twist the hair into small irregular sections, using colour luster oil to control frizz throughout the drying process. Blow dry the hair thoroughly with a diffuser. Unravel each section, then separate with fingers to achieve the final look.